We're going to walk through how to set up the Valentine's Mad Lib. So right here is a Google Sheet. What you're going to do is you will want to go to File, Make a Copy. So first, you're making a copy of the Google Sheet because it has autocorrect connected to this Google Sheet. And that way you don't have to reset that up. It will be set up for you. If you make a copy of the Google form, it will not connect autocorrect. And so then you would manually have to set that up as well. So once you have your copy of the Google Sheet, you'll just go to File, Make a Copy, and then I'm just going to put How Valentine's Mad Lib. Once I have my copy, I'm going to go ahead and pull that Google form. So again, once I make the copy, it will automatically make a copy of the Google form, and I just go into Tools, and I can go into Manage Form, Edit Form, and this is where I can decide if I need to turn on email responses for my domain. I can set that all up. If I needed to change any of these questions or provide an example, I could do that as well. But then what I do next after I set that up is I'm going to just kind of do it as a test so you can see what this will look like. So then I'll send this out to my students and they will type in their email address. They're going to type in their name. They're going to type in their favorite color. So I might do red. I might do pink. I'm going to do a food, tacos, an adjective, and then a famous person. Okay. And then they hit submit. Those responses will come over to your Google form. You might also want to rename your Google form that you have as well. So there's my response. And now I just need to hit play on Autocrat. So I go into extensions, Autocrat, launch. It should launch in the middle of the page. If it launches on the side, you want to make sure that you update it to version 3, I believe. So if it's over on this side and not like this, make sure you go down to the bottom and hit upgrade and then reopen it. And then you can just click the pencil or you could click play, but I'm going to go ahead and click the pencil. And then it says Valentine's. This is going to be the result. It's going to open on this Google slide. It's going to have the color replaced with that, color 2, food, adjective, and then that famous person. And then next, it's pulling everything in the right location. It is going to rename it, so the student's name and the Mad Lib. And then what it's going to do is it's going to go into this folder. And what I'm going to do after that is done, it's going to send them an email with their Mad Lib. So I just did email address, Mad Lib, here's your Mad Lib, and then they'll be able to see it. I do want them to get the email as soon as they hit submit, so that's why that is yes. I'm going to hit save. And now when I hit the play button, it is going to create my final product. And again, it's going to change all of these areas for my students. So that way their custom responses will be added to the Google slide. Okay, so right here is that response. And we can see roses are red, violets are pink, tacos is soft, and so is Taylor Swift. Okay, so again, you could just kind of have some fun with that fun Mad Lib. Again, everything is in the YouTube description for you to make a copy and use this with your students.